Hello everybody and welcome to this Kali Fundamentals course. I am excited to be here with you today. My name is Robert Smith and I'm going to be your host. So as we're working through all of this, you might want to know a little bit about me. Well, I achieved my OSCP in 2018. I'm currently working as an IT auditor and pen tester in the industry, part of a managed security service provider that's in the top 100 in the world. I've got over 8 years of experience. I've published a paper in the SANS reading room, and I love to play Diablo 3 and smash the leaderboards. I'm a bit of a gamer. So if you're thinking about taking this course, what are some things that we're hoping you can do by the end? Well, I want you to be able to understand some basic terminologies with, relation to the Kali distribution, conduct some basic activities such as installation, troubleshooting, and navigation of the distribution, and then a basic understanding of the tools that you can find within the distribution and maybe how you can fit those into your day-to-day tasks. Now, some of the things that will be covered here: basic terminology and a history of the platform, how to download and install copies. We're looking at how to navigate file systems and kind of getting started with some useful commands, network settings, services, and how to manipulate users, basic troubleshooting steps, and then again an introduction to the tools and resources. Now, keep in mind, if you've done something like Linux Plus or some more advanced Linux courses, this may not be for you. But if you're looking to get started and kind of find your way into the Kali distribution and how to use that in your day-to-day tasks, I look forward to working with you. So let's go ahead and jump right in.